At Smokeless Chimney, we work for warm homes and clean air for everyone. We've developed a battery pack. I was going to share how we made it. We start in Fusion 360, where we designed a battery module for the 18650 cell. It had to hold the batteries just right, and I want to show you some features of this. There's a notch right here so that the battery terminal will fit very close to the positive terminal. I put plus and minus signs in so we'll get the battery in the right orientation, and some chamfered holes for wood screws. I put some holes in the side to tie the batteries down or put a notch in it. Now we're on to the slicer. Prusa slicer, we put 3 separate battery modules with 3 batteries each with the back BMS spacer unit. And looking it over, it looks like it'll print very nicely. We go ahead and slice it and take a look at the layers, make sure there's nothing amiss. It all looks pretty good, and we're going to use 155 grams of filament. It's going to cost roughly $4 to print this in material, and about 7 hours. Here they are after printing all night long, and they look very good. It's not a pile of spaghetti. That's PETG, and it looks fantastic. If you look really close, there's a little notch I had to put in for the battery to fit up close to the positive terminal, and it's easy to tell which end is the negative and the positive. Okay, I'm going to start assembling the battery pack. I've got the terminals in the battery holder. I am opening the BMS. I try to get everything arranged so that it'll go quick and easy when I'm videoing. However, there's always more that needs to be done. This is the BMS unit. I like the way that it takes the power in, delivers the power through the same terminals, and charges each of the batteries in series independently. So far, most of these I've hooked up have worked, and they work very well. They also cut the battery off if voltage gets too low, so that saves your battery. Something around 9.2 to 9 volts is where it will shut off if it's drawn down that far, and it regulates the charging of the devices as well. So at some point along here, I'm going to speed up the video, and I'll put some music on. We'll call it a montage. Enjoy. This is the assembled battery pack. It provides 12 volts to our electronics. It's a good storage battery. Our devices will run between 8 and 20 hours on this. I think it'll do us well. Thank you very much for watching. Smokeless chimney, warm homes and clean air for everyone. www.smokelesschimney.com